The Satoms CCTV installation and maintenance course is a highly practical and professional online training designed to help you build real-world CCTV skills with confidence. If you want to understand how CCTV camera systems work, installed, maintained, and how common faults are diagnosed, this course gives you a clear and straightforward pathway to get there. During this course, you will learn the fundamentals of CCTV and how surveillance systems are used to monitor, record, and protect people, property, and assets. You will explore different CCTV camera types, including IP security cameras, and learn how they connect into modern network security systems. You will also learn how to survey a site before installation, helping you identify suitable camera locations, coverage areas, cable routes, and installation challenges. From there, the course takes you through CCTV installation practices, network configuration, system documentation, CCTV apps, software, and basic fault finding. This gives you the confidence to identify and resolve common CCTV system issues quickly. This course is ideal for security professionals, technicians, facility managers, maintenance personnel, and anyone who wants to better understand how CCTV systems operate. Whether you want to improve your technical skills, support CCTV systems in your workplace, or gain a certificate to demonstrate your knowledge, this course gives you practical training you can use. Training with Satoms gives you the flexibility to learn in a way that suits your schedule. The course is 100% online with immediate start, can be completed at your own pace, and with lifetime course access. You will also receive downloadable course notes, straightforward lessons, instructor support, and a CCTV training course certificate on completion. Satoms also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, giving you confidence when you enroll. Start building your CCTV installation and maintenance skills today with Satoms. Enroll now and take the next step toward understanding, installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting CCTV systems with confidence. Thank you for choosing Satoms. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@Satoms.com.